Stop wasting your time. These 10 free AI websites can do hours of work in just minutes. If you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or business owner, you need these tools in 2026. Number one is ChatGPT. It helps you write articles, answer questions, generate ideas, summarize text, and even write code in seconds. Number two is Google AI Studio gives you access to powerful AI models for coding, brainstorming, research, and productivity. Number three is Canva AI for create professional thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and graphics with Canva AI. Number four is 11 Labs for need realistic voiceovers, converts text into natural human voices in multiple languages. Number five is Perplexity AI for gives fast answers with sources, making research easier and more reliable. Number six is Claude AI for perfect for writing, document analysis, and long conversations. Greater than number seven is Gamma AI for creates beautiful presentations without spending hours designing slides. Number eight is Leonardo AI for generates amazing AI artwork, graphics, and game assets in seconds. Number nine is Notebook LM for helps you organize notes, summarize documents, and learn faster. Number 10 is Pika AI for lets you create eye-catching videos from simple text prompts. Which AI website will you try first? Tell me in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and join us for more AI tools and tech tips every week. Subscribe for more AI tips.